Hey guys, we're doing the teams for the 5 box break. It's 8:01:25 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Teams, we're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And random is complete, and the teams are Nick Halkias with the Hawks, Craig McMillan, Grizz, Mason Dolan, Lakers, Cam Munster with the Clippers, Simi Osmond Magic, Rodney with the Bulls, Kenny Bromwich with the Sixers, Scotty Rhodes, Pelicans, Justin Horrow with the Suns and Knicks, Paps with the Bucks, Rodney with the Rockets, Chris Halkias with the Wizards, Mr. Donny with the Kings, Shane Scott Mavericks, Mose with the Hornets, Blake with the Pacers, Cam Nuggets and Cavs, Logan with the Nets, Jerome Jazz, Trent with the Pistons, Mark Stokes with the Blazers, Cam Munster with the Raptors, Mark Stokes with the Wolves, Aiden with the Warriors, Joel with the Thunder, Shane Scott Heat, Aiden with the Celtics, Ruben with the Spurs. And that is the team draw.